Hello, how do you analyze stock for swing trading if you are using long option line swing trading strategy? You open your stock watch list, you open your daily chart. It could be maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart, and you analyze the stocks on your watch list at the end of the day, or after the market close, or early in the morning before the market open, to see if you'll find some stocks to purchase during the day. It's good with this option line swing trading strategy to trace your support line or option lines where you like to buy your stocks. So with NDAQ making big mountain, I think it's still making a big one, is in the process of making a big mountain and is working on one side of the mountain. We like to buy at the trend line at the bottom. The next one is NVDA, and NVDA, we purchased it, we have not sold it yet, and we purchased it somewhere there. The price went up and pulled back and start going up again, and right now the price is higher than where we bought it. So the next one is NVR. NVR, we purchased a long destroy line. The arrows just shows you where we bought it. Like this arrow shows you where we bought it. The arrow on top shows you where we sold it. So we bought it there, and then the price dropped. So because it make a wide mountain, it could just be making a wide one. So we bought it then, and it pulled back. So we don't know if it's going to come back down to this trend line before start going up again. We don't know. We do have this trend line that I like to highlight, and I think it's not too far from this one, but it's a little bit lower, and we can activate, we can color a purple as well and keep an eye on it. It's just not too far from that one, but it seems like it could well come to it at some point. So the next one is ORLY. So ORLY, we have those trend that we like to buy at, but right now is following this trend line. It's still working on one side of the mountain there, but we will prefer to just wait. When it touch base, we can get in. The next one is PCAR, and PCAR, we purchased it at some point last year, and then the price dropped to the trend line and start going up from there. So if you don't have PCAR and you like to purchase it, I think it's still in a good area that you could purchase it, but because we purchased it already, we prefer to just wait for that to go up before we sell it. But it's still close to the trend line that if today is a green bar, you could buy some share if you want to buy. But that is just my opinion, though. It could still turn and pull back, but I just feel like there is a good entry there since it's making higher lows there. If at the next green bar, it will be a good entry point. But having it already in our portfolio, we are not going to buy more. This one we like to is PG. We like to buy at this trend line, but it has not come close to it yet. It's using this as this resistance line as a support to pull itself back up from there. The next one is PGR. We like to buy at either one of those trend lines, but this trend line could just be one side of the mountain, though. Although it does not make tall mountain, But if you pull back to here, then this will be a tall mountain. Otherwise, this could just be a good area to buy if you start making higher lows. But we are not seeing higher lows around that area yet. Just having few higher lows before you buy just give you a little confirmation that maybe it stopped going down, if that makes sense. But it's just, yeah, it's making a similar highs on this trend line that it made in the past, like the width, the height. Therefore, maybe it just decided to use this trend line to continue forward. In that case, if we see a few higher lows there, we might buy some, but we'll just keep an eye on it. So the next one is PH. We purchased PH. And we have not sold it yet. And I just feel like my chart analysis for the same stocks varies every day. Like my decision related to a stock can vary, not every day, but times to times. So I might decide to buy a additional line, and later I might, as is, continue is moving, I might decide that no, the line on top it could be an entry point compared to the line above. It could most likely be an entry point compared to the bottom one. Does that make sense? Things like that. So APH, therefore, don't think that what I'm saying is written is the absolute truth. That because I can change my mind based on how the price keep moving, and because as the price is moving, the pattern will show more of its shape. Does that make sense? So, and it could change our decision day to day since we are doing daily analysis. So PH, we like to buy at this trend line next time, but right now it seems to be following this trend line, which is 1 year trend line as well. And it does make a wide mountain though, and we bought it quite a bit around this area. We purchased it and the price pulled back on us and start going up. So it's in our portfolio for that reason. We purchased and the price dropped. PWR, well, reached a new high recently, but we like to buy at either one of those trend lines. So we are just going to keep waiting. It is making a similar mountain as it made in the past. So if you pull back to this trend line, I think it'll just be a good point to get in when it start making a higher loss from there. So the next one is ROL. So ROL, we like to buy at this trend line. It pulled back but not quite close to it and start going up again. So it's using this resistant line as a support there, but I would prefer to buy at a lower level. So the next one is Ross. And Ross, we purchased it this year at this trend line. And it pulled back to the trend line, went up, and when they start making higher lows there, pretty much, like if you trace it from here there, higher lows, we purchased it, but then it pulled back. So it's still pulling back. As you can see, even though we have higher lows here, it was not enough. It pulled back, so it could well wanted to come closer to it. But yeah, we'll just keep observing it. RPM, we purchased it there and the price drop. Otherwise, this is a trend line that we selected to buy either one. So it pull back to it and start going up. So I will say that where it is right now is a good entry point, because it pulled back, that mountain side is formed. You see from here, there is formed, and it start working on another one. So this could be a good entry point, but because we have it already in our portfolio, we are not going to buy. Otherwise, it's still close to this trend line. For you to find an entry point there, like if the next green bar could be a purchase, yeah, it could be purchased as well, because we are seeing a higher lows there. Although this one pullback is lower than those, even this one is a little bit lower than this one, but from here there is an uptrend going on there. But that is just my opinion on it. But since we already purchased it, we're not going to buy it again until we sell it. RSG is the next one. We bought it this year. We bought it this year at this trend line, which is more than 1 year trend line, and it started going up from there. But it is a little bit of a risk, in the sense that, I don't know, I just feel like it could come back to this trend line as it touch base with it. But it just have a shape to the trend line here, but it seems like it's still the mountain going up side of the mountain though. But anyway, regarding that trend line, which is 1 year trend line, when they start making another mountain, but for the past 3 days the price dropped there. It's still higher than where we bought it. We are just going to keep observing it to see what it's doing. So the next one is SO. So you just buy the stocks, and as the stocks is moving where you bought it might look later to you that, oh, you bought it too high, you didn't buy it low enough, or things like that. So it could happen, because I have feeling like that with some of my stocks that I purchased. So SO, we like to buy at this trend line, and right now is far from it. The next one is SPGI. We have SPGI. We like to buy at this trend line, but right now is following this trend line, which is more than 1 year trend line as well. But at the same time that it could be an entry point, it is like the wall or the support of the top side of the mountain, like the side climbing up, in the sense that these stocks tend to make a high mountain. Therefore, it's like we are on the rise side of the mountain, and we don't know where it's going to be done with the peak, and we decided to do the descent side of the mountain. For that reason, we just prefer to just wait and keep observing what it's doing. Otherwise, because it's just far into this claim, that we just don't want to join the race, if that makes sense. So this conclude. Now we do have one in that we can analyze in this video. So we have SYK that we purchased on the right side of the mountain, and then it fell down to rest a little bit at this trend line, which is more than 1 year old, 2 years actually, trend line, and it start going up. So for a while, you see, we bought it where the arrow is, and it fell, and we bought it about in November. The date is at the bottom when I put my mouse on it. So you can see for how long it has been low before it came back to that level. So more than 2 months that it has been negative in our account, or so, maybe a little bit positive around this area before it dropped. And now, it start going up after resting here. So we'll just keep looking, but the goal is if you reach the next high, we can just sell it and lock in the profit. The profit may not be high enough since we buy at a higher level to start with. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you analyze stocks for swing trading if you are using long option and swing trading strategy. You pay attention to your green bar and your green bars and your red bars. Your green bar bars are the price when the price went up, and the red bars are when the price went down. You swing trade on daily chart, and it's good to have a stock watch list that you can just analyze stocks from it and buy stocks from it. You select your entry point, which are support line passing by the valleys of the mountain, and when the price reach it and start making higher lows around that trend line, you can just buy at the first or second green bar that follow a pullback. And once you have it in the portfolio, you can start thinking about when you will sell it. Could be at the next high if the stocks you are purchasing make highs often or frequently. Because we are using upward large cap, that's why we are swing trading. They do make higher highs, therefore we have that as a target selling point. Or when you have 10% profits, you can just sell it and just that small, and little by little grow your account from there. For how we create our watch list, will you please check the playlist in the description, and we have multiple playlists there for you to to see the videos that where we share different tips, different how we are swing trading, and particular just to share our experience with you. Thank you. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments. We thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in asop.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Thank you.